Hi everyone, in this video we'll learn how to combine first and last names in Excel. First, select the cell where you want the full name to appear. Mine is D3. Then, click on the FX Insert Function button. In the window that opens, set the category to All. Search for Concatenate and click OK. This function lets you combine up to 255 text strings. You'll see boxes like text1 and text2 as you go. More boxes will appear if needed. Click inside the text1 box and select the first name cell. Mine is B3. In text2, press the spacebar so there's a space between the names. In text3, select the last name cell. Mine is C3. You'll see a preview of the full name below. Click OK and Excel will instantly combine the first and last names. In the formula bar, you'll notice it's using the cell references B3 and C3, not the actual names. Now, instead of doing this for every row, just drag the small plus icon from the bottom right corner of the first full name cell to fill down, and Excel will combine all names automatically. And if you change any name in the first or last name columns, the full name updates automatically too.